If you're an HVAC business owner and a bank won't lend you money, I hear a lot of times like, "Hey, my tax guy is too good. He's too good saving me money on tax, so I can't get a loan from the bank." And that is not really a real thing unless your tax guy is just completely lying about your business. Writing off trucks, choosing to write off trucks or not writing off trucks does not impact lendability with a bank. Again, if he's making up deductions, if he's making up things that you're spending money on, then that could possibly affect it. But then you have a liar as a tax guy, and that's not awesome either. Most of the time, when a bank won't lend you money, two things are true and they seem contradictory. One is there's a reason that they're not lending you money, and it means something is broken in the business. It means the available cash from that business is not enough, in the bank's opinion, to feel like they're going to get their money back. Right? Like it's like that buddy who always asks to borrow 20 bucks or 100 bucks or whatever, but you know he spends every dollar he ever makes. So what are the odds you're going to get that money back? Pretty slim, right? And so it could be that they see you taking a whole bunch of distributions out of the company and not leaving enough cash. And they're saying they need too much money out of this company for me to pay them. It could be that your margins are just way too thin and they say, hey, by the time they pay their guys, they pay for the materials, they pay for the shop, there's not enough here for to handle debt payments. And so it, that's true. But the other thing that is true is there's more than one bank in town. And so in our CFO Light program and our full CFO program, we go and hunt down the bank and work with the bank to get the lending deals done for our clients, because we know what those banks need to see. We know how those reports need to look, and we know how to push back on the bank and say, hey, I know that you don't like the way the debt service coverage ratio is, but here's the story. Here's the AR report. Here's the inventory. Here are things that make this story why the bank should be comfortable lending money to our client. And so if you're getting a no from the bank, reach out and we might be able to fix it for you.